What's up, y'all? HK2 Production. I got my man Sam.
What's up?
Now, we caught the flatheads, right? And now we're getting ready to do a tutorial on how to clean flathead catfish. And I'm gonna tell you a secret. I don't know how to clean catfish. Now, the old way we used to do it was, we used to skin up on a tree and peel it. That's what we did, but not flathead. We channel cat. That's what we used to make our catfish nuggets. Same concept, same kind of skin, but is there a difference?
Not really.
No?
No.
All right, so we about to get to it, y'all. And this is the first time I'm doing a tutorial on cleaning fish, because I always just catch them, throw them back, catch them, and that's about it. I'm kind of going out of my comfort zone. We got more live action coming to you. So now, what do we got to do first?
First thing we'll do is we're going to cut the skin back from around the head and down the back, peel the skin off so we can get to the meat and fillet that off of the bones.
Okay.
All right. Make sure you got sharp knife. That's most important because the skin gets really tough. So make sure we got that. And what I like to do, and some people might say it's wrong, I don't know, but I just come around the back side of the head here.
Ooh, that's a sharp knife.
Down underneath this fin. Now, I typically don't worry about this belly meat right in here. I've actually saved it and used it for cut bait for another fishing trip, but okay. I don't particularly take the time to try to get that belly meat for eating.
Gotcha. You can hear all the gas coming out of it. It's a little gassy little thing. Now, can you do a frozen too?
I've never tried. I imagine it'd be very difficult to try to peel one that was frozen.
How about a second? When we used to do salmon, we used to freeze it and then take the pliers and peel the skin right on off. That's probably a different skin from catfish.
Oh yeah. All right, now we got the skin peeled back. We're just gonna come with the fillet knife right down the backbone, and you can feel it hitting the rib cage. Just keep working down that rib cage till you get past it. You'll feel the bones, and once you get past it, then you can come all the way on out the bottom and just run that knife right along the backbone, all the way back down. Now, just pull this meat away from the rib cage.
Okay.
And just slowly work your knife down it.
So that's filleting them.
This is filleting it.
Now, as y'all know, Sam is up there cleaning them. I ain't touching the fish. I mean, I don't mind cleaning them, but I want to get all the action. Ooh, good old slab of meat.
Then you just go to the other side and do the same thing.
So who taught you how to clean fish?
Dad, grandparents, and they all fished when I was a kid and was raised. You keep what you catch and clean it and eat it.
Now what's with the box cutter? Just to get to the...
Just a little bit sharper than the fillet knife is. Then you go back to your pliers. Sometimes you got to grab it a couple times to get it where you want it.
Now those who's not experienced with a knife, please use a cut glove.
They do help.
Yeah. I got plenty of them when I used to work for Harris Teeter. Should have bought them. I might give you some for Christmas. How about that?
There you go. That'll work.
I can just imagine how much time it took to do that 45-pound.
It took a while. And there you go. Now what you want to do, come on the back side, and the red part of the catfish, some people say it's a little gamey. It's got a little strong taste to it. So you can cut that off if you want to. It doesn't bother me. But just come in here, you can clean it up if you need to a little bit. Looks like I need to sharpen my knife. Just get some of that leftover from the skin off of it. But there's two good fillets, and then you just bring them over to the sink, rinse them off in some cold water. And they're ready to cook.
All right. Man, thank you, Sam. See, Sam is the man.
I don't know about that.
So now what you getting ready to do now?
Just going to trim a little bit more of this meat from around the rib cage, on the bottom side of the rib cage. And there you go.
All right. So that this right here is just the bone.
Yes.
Okay. All right. All right. So getting ready to do a quick one on this one. We just want to do a step-by-step on how we clean the catfish. I might get my hands dirty. Let's get it. myth is not true. You can't get stung by these. Ow. No, I'm just messing. So now what are you cleaning for?
Just washing off any blood or anything that might be up there. Sometimes you clean them outside, you might get some leaves or grass stuck to it.
A big old plate of catfish. Eat for days. How many days do you think you eat that?
Depends on how hungry I am.
Yeah.
4 good meals out of that one fish.
Mm-hmm. So all I gotta do now is after you clean them, cut them, wash them, portion them, and put them in your bags, and you put them in the freezer and eat some catfish soup, catfish nuggets, catfish sandwich, catfish a la mode. No.
Maybe we'll do a tutorial on how to cook them next.
Yeah, that'll work.
We'll do a broiled catfish.
Okay. All right. So now we got the tutorial on how to clean catfish. So we already caught it. Now we cleaned it. The next video that we'll be doing shortly, probably next week or something, we're going to actually do a cook on them. Make some catfish nugget, broiled catfish?
Yeah, I think we're going to do it 2 ways. We're going to do some fried catfish nuggets and do some broiled catfish in the oven.
Yes, sir. So that's what I'm talking about. So that's going to be on the next video. And we're going to get out there and catch some more flatheads. Like I said, I enjoyed it. Sam, I appreciate everything.
Anytime.
Because I wouldn't be doing this if it wasn't for Sam. I mean, he got me out of my comfort zone. I mean, y'all seen different species I've caught before, but something like this, I never do at all. I wanted to kind of get out of my zone. It is December. It gets colder. A lot of time it's hard to fish. A lot of time consuming to fish, but at least, you know, trying to do something to get everybody involved so you can still watch videos for the fishermen that don't like to get out in the cold. But, you know, I'll strap up and get out there, though. You know what I'm saying? Because I do this for fun. I do this for y'all and to keep y'all entertained. And as always, Sam, you got anything to say?
No, that's it. Just can't wait to start cooking now.
That's right. HK2 Production, Sam Summerlin. You can check him out on Facebook. Sam Summerlin, Summerlin.
Yep.
And Bobby Holloway, because I'm on Facebook too. But as always, y'all stay safe out there. HK2 Production, Sam Summerlin, and we out.